Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to unhide comments on Instagram. First of all, I will need you to go ahead and open your profile by going to your profile picture in the bottom right corner and then go to your post. As you can see, here I have one post, which is my mouse post, so I'm gonna click on it. Therefore, there is 4 comments in this post, but if I click on it, I will only find that there is only 2 main comments. So how can I see first the hidden comments and then unhide them? First, you can see in the bottom, see hidden comments with a blind eye icon. What you have to do is to simply click on it, and this will allow you to actually see the hidden comments by you. Now, what you can do to actually unhide the comments, simply click on an unhide button, which is next to reply, as you can see, and click on unhide. Same goes for the second comment, and as you can see, the comment has been unhided. It's very simple and easy. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.